This is the simulation. Let's see. Again, run these operations. After turning, so these are the operations you want to run from here to here. All of these operations, okay. Select all of these operations. To these operations, add, finishing, simulate, and part of. You can use this. Okay. Stock. Let's use shaded. This is the simulation. Let's see. Speed here. A little bit. And after turning, so it's doing face rough face finish. Goes to do rough turning. Rough turning, finishing, and part off. Okay. This is the simulation. Let's see. Rough turning. The operations are shown here. What it's doing, so it's doing rough turning using a tool of angle 5 diamond insert. As you can see, the blue one is the diamond insert, finishing, and part off. So it's doing rough turning. Okay. Let's do. This is the simulation. Let's see. Finishing. Rough turning. Clean. That's the finishing now. To clean the extra material that was left. Then it comes to do parting off or cut off. As you can see, the operation is here. It shows the cut off. Yeah, using tool number 9, groove 3. That is how this is the simulation. Let's see. Rough turning.